You want to make your heating smarter with a Tado thermostat, but you're not quite sure what to look out for. I'm Lola, and in this video, I'm here to help you get started. I'll explain the different types of smart dry, how the wireless connection works, and what changes if you have multiple radiator valves at home. This way, you'll soon know which Tado starter pack best suits your situation. The type of package you choose depends on how your heating system works at home. If you only have radiators and no central heating boiler, like if you have district heating, then a starter kit with just radiator valves is useful. This way, you can decide for each room where you want the heating to be active. You can choose exactly where it should be warm, and you'll avoid having the heating on unnecessarily in rooms you're not even using. If you do have a central heating boiler and want to make it smarter, then go for a starter kit with a smart thermostat and radiator valves. With this setup, you can control the temperature in each room and also manage the central heating system. For the whole house, a wireless Tado thermostat works a bit differently than a wired one. You install an adapter, also called the receiver, next to your central heating boiler. You connect it to the existing wiring of your boiler. After that, you can place the thermostat anywhere you like in your home. For example, in the living room or even in the attic, if that's your favorite spot. It's useful if you don't have thermostat wires running through your walls, or if the location of your old thermostat just wasn't useful. By the way, you will need to do a bit of work with the wires at the boiler because the receiver still needs to be connected. But after that, you won't have to mess around with cables all over the house, since the connection between the thermostat and the receiver is wireless. The more smart radiator valves you have in your home, the more efficiently you can heat your place. You can set the desired temperature for each radiator individually. So, for example, if you spend most of your day in the living room, you don't need to heat the bedroom or the attic. Without smart radiator valves, you can only control the temperature for the house. That's less useful if you want to save energy. With a single smart radiator valve, you can control one radiator separately. And with, say, 6 valves, you can set 6 radiators individually. This way, you avoid heating rooms unnecessarily when you're not even there. Also, make sure to check if your boiler can actually be connected to a Tado thermostat. Most people can do that, but there are sometimes exceptions. Also, check whether your radiator valve has numbers on it. This type is suitable for connecting to a Tado. With a bit of knowledge about Tado starter packs, you can make your home warm enough without heating unnecessarily. Still have questions or want to know which set is the best fit for your situation? Feel free to let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and good luck making your heating smarter. Take care.